Hello everyone. In our last classes, we started with the chapter differentiation. So let's quickly revise. The first thing we talked about is calculus. What does calculus do? It helps us to find the algebraic, it helps us to use the algebraic portions in order to derive graphical things about the function. Second, in case of differentiation, when do we say that a function is differentiable or the derivative of a function exists? If at that particular point, a unique tangent can be drawn to the curve. And once we differentiate, the answer that we get in return, what is that? That is basically the slope of that unique tangent. Yes? So we talked about different formulas. The first one, kya tha formula? Differentiation or ddx. That's the symbol of differentiation, right? So ddx of constant. What's the differentiation of constant?
Zero.
Zero. ओके सो व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय कांस्टेंट सारे नंबर्स हमारे कांस्टेंट है और अगर मैं डी डी एक्स लिख रही हूँ तो एक्स वेरिएबल होगा वाई तो हमेशा ही वेरिएबल होता है अदर देन दैट अगर ए बी यू वी कोई भी और लेटर है ऑल दोस विल आल्सो बी ट्रीटेड लाइक अ कांस्टेंट देन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्स पावर एन
And next to the power n minus 1.
so x differentiation of x will be
1.
1 x square
2x.
x cube
3x square.
x cube is
3x square.
3x square.
root x
1 by 2
1
root
by
x.
2 root x.
differentiation of 1 upon x power n
Minus n by x to the power n plus 1.
very good differentiation of 1 by x
Minus 1 by
x square.
minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by root x. Differentiation of 1 upon root x. Minus 1 by 2 x root x. What's the answer? Minus 1 by 2 x root x. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
we talked about log x. In order for us to differentiate logarithm, it is necessary that the base should be x. The base should be e. So what is differentiation of log x?
1 by x.
1 by x. Differentiation of 3 power x.
3x log
3x log 3.
log a. Log 3.
3x into log 3. ex.
Ex.
Ex. Then we talked about different properties. So if there is a plus or minus sign in between, we differentiate them individually. If the constant is together with a variable, then what do? Is we ignore the constant and we differentiate the variable. If two variables are getting multiplied, then what do? uv. Leave u, differentiate v, plus leave v, differentiate u. And then we talked about quotient rule. What was quotient rule? Differentiation of numerator by denominator, where both of them needs to be terms of x. In that case, the formula was denominator square, then differentiate denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2 sums and then we'll move forward. Yes, still in 11. Huh? Differentiation of 2x minus 3 upon 1 minus 7x. What we will do here?
Ma'am, you have to use the quotient rule.
So denominator square, we leave the denominator, differentiation of numerator minus, we will leave the numerator and we will differentiate the denominator. So 1 minus 7x, differentiation of 2x minus 3 is 2. Then 1 minus 7x is minus 7. We'll open the bracket 2 minus 14x plus 14x minus 21. So final answer minus 19 upon 1 minus 7x whole square. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Differentiation of x plus 1 by, root x plus 1 by root x whole cube. Right. In this particular sum, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Whole cube खोल सकते हैं. So, a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. तो यहाँ डिफरेंशिएट करने से पहले we have to simplify. So a cube root x is basically x power half, right? X power half cube plus 3 into x power half square 1 by root x plus 3 a b square plus b cube. So differentiation of x power 3 by 2 plus 3x power half, that is root x, plus 3 by root x plus 1 by x power 3 by 2. Is it okay till here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Formula. X power n, so n x power n minus 1, so half, plus 3 root x is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 by root x is minus 1 upon 2 x root x. This will be minus 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 root x plus 3 by 2 root x minus 3 by 2 x root x minus 3 by 2 root x. My fault. This was wrong. This was n plus 1, so it will become 5 by 2. Is there any other problem? Guys, ठीक है ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now we'll move. See, अभी तक जो हमने करा product rule, quotient rule, those are formulas, right? We will use to apply. अब मैं जो पढ़ाने वाली हूँ chain rule. Okay, chain rule. Now, chain rule is not a formula. ठीक है, chain rule एक logic और एक concept है. ठीक है, which is applicable, which can be applicable in any scenario. You may be using it in addition, you may be using within a product rule or a quotient rule or a normal sum. So it's just a concept which can be used in any form, right? हम क्या करते हैं? Understand. So suppose I ask you differentiation of log 2x plus 3. ठीक है, सो जो क्वेश्चन है ना वो ये वाले फॉर्मूला से होगा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ लॉग एक्स, एकदम सिमिलर लुकिंग सम्स है. सो वी नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि लॉग एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है?
1 by x.
1 by. तो ये सम जो है वो लॉग एक्स जैसा ही दिख रहा है. सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ लॉग एक्स, बस मेरा एक्स की जगह दूसरा टर्म बैठा है. Initially in my formula, it was log x, but in my sum, it is log, but the x, position of x is replaced by another function that is 2x plus 3. So I'll treat it as log x. So again, using the formula, log x becomes 1 upon x. Yes, till here it's fine. Now, chain rule says that since you're applying a formula, in the formula there was x, and in your question there is something other than x. So, in this particular sum, what is written instead of x?
2x plus 3.
2x plus 3. So, chain rule says after you have applied the normal formula, जो भी term आपका x के जगह था, we are going to differentiate that term and write the value in the numerator. So, into differentiation of the term that is written instead of x. हमेशा numerator में लिखा जाएगा, no matter which formula you are applying. So, मैंने इसको treat करा log x के जैसे, इसलिए मैंने 1 by x लिखा. मेरा x के जगह 2x plus 3 था. So, I'm differentiating that term. I'm differentiating that term and writing it in the numerator. So, what is the differentiation of 2x plus 3? 2.
2.
वो numerator में आ जाएगा. So ये जो चीज है ना कि आपका सम में इंस्टेड ऑफ x there is some other term and then we are differentiating it considering that scenario, this is known as chain. समझ आए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue. If I say differentiation of e power 3x, इसको ट्रीट करेंगे e power x जैसा. What is the differentiation of e power x?
E power x.
जो सेम रहेगा, पर यहाँ पे भी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Instead of x, the term is 3x. So the differentiation of this term will be written in the numerator. What is the differentiation of 3x?
3.
So 3 e power 3x. Suppose question, differentiation of under root 1 minus 5x. इसको कैसा ट्रीट करेंगे?
1 by 2 root x.
Perfect. Root x का ट्रीटमेंट दिया. So root x is 1 by 2 root x. Instead of x, the term that is written, मैंने रूट का ट्रीटमेंट ऑलरेडी दे दिया. यहाँ रूट के अंदर x था और मेरे सम में रूट के जगह ये बैठा है. So instead of x, the term is 1 minus 5x. So in the numerator, we are going to write the differentiation of 1 minus 5x. So differentiation of 1 minus 5x is minus 5. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Differentiation of 5x square plus 7x minus 3 power 10. अगर power 2 3 2 होता है ऐसा तो I could have even expanded, but power 10 तो we can't expand, so I'm gonna treat this as
X to the power n.
x power n. So x power 10. What is the differentiation of x power 10?
Minus 10 by x to the power 11.
Wrong.
10x to the power 9.
Yes, 10x power 9. And what is written instead of x?
5
What is the term instead of x? 5x square plus 7x minus 3.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
we will do is we are going to multiply the differentiation of this term. So we can also write directly. What is the differentiation of this green part? 5x square plus 7x minus 3.
10x plus 7.
10x plus 7.
10x plus 7. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Try the differentiation of, yes,
Ma'am, can we take the 10 to the front and then multiply it and then differentiate?
no. How can we take 10 to the front? Log थोड़ी है.
Yes, ma'am, but from the
Only
power.
logarithm we can bring it to the front. Na? Otherwise, how will you bring it to the front?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
11. Differentiate e power log x.
E power log x into 1 by x.
Not wrong, but you missed something.
By x instead of into 1 by x. No.
जो आपने करा वो राइट ही है, बट इफ यू लुक एट इट, एक फॉर्मूला हम लोग ने पढ़ा था ना, ए पावर लॉग एक्स बेस इज एक्स.
Oh,
सो
yeah.
यहाँ लॉग के बेस में अगर कुछ नहीं है तो कौन है? ई है.
Hmm.
So E log E gets cancelled. So I'm not saying differentiation formula, I'm saying logarithm formula. Using logarithm formula, this E log x base E, we can write this as x. E log E gets cancelled.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are left with what? Differentiation of x is
1.
1.
1. So इतना ही तो है. समझ आया? So sometimes you also need to apply the logarithm formulas.
Ma'am, can you explain that formula once again?
So the formula was a power log x base a. If this base and the base of the logarithm is same, we used to write in logarithm that the answer is x. So here nothing was written in the base. So logarithm at the base e. So e and log base e was same. So we cancelled that and only the expression remained was x. And whatever expression remained, we then differentiated it.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How will we differentiate this now? Can I differentiate it directly?
No, ma'am.
Bad job. Bulai now. How will I differentiate? Can I differentiate it directly log x base 2? नहीं क्यों
Ma'am.
क्योंकि base 2 है.
Okay.
In our formula, it was necessary that the base should be e. But right now, my base is not e. My base is 2. So I need to remove that base. I want base e. Until unless I have base e, I can't differentiate. What will we do? Use logarithm property. That's why I said in differentiation, more than differentiation, the rest of the simplifications are more important. So here, no differentiation until unless you simplify logarithm. You remove the base 2. How can I do that? Can I not do this log x divided by log 2? Can we do that? We learned the formula property, na? Log a base b is log a by log b.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
I can write this log x by log 2. And now I haven't written anything in the base. So both of them has base c. So
Ma'am, but
whenever you're
log
going to
A minus log B is
I'm
log
sorry.
A by B. Log A minus log B is log A by B.
Hmm. That was different. This one log a minus log b.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then
This was
how do we say that
this
log
is
is equal to log 2?
log a minus log. The formula is this.
Ma'am, is this the change of base rule?
Yeah, change of base rule.
Okay, ma'am.
And there was one more that if you reciprocate, it gets shifted. So उस time पे भी I told you that why will we use this? Because I have problem with any other base other than E. I don't want my base to be 2. So what we do is we divide the logarithm into two parts and whatever base you want, you can have that. If you want both of their bases to be 10, I'm okay. You can write the same base for both the numbers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how should I differentiate this? How will I
You
differentiate this?
quotient rule.
No, why will I apply quotient rule? नीचे तो log 2 है, constant है. Ignore log 2. What is the differentiation of log x?
1
1
by
by
x.
Yes.
1 by x. नीचे तो constant था. I can ignore the constant.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Here the
Question.
constant won't become 0.
Sorry?
Here constant won't become 0 because there's log.
No, because it's with a variable. No, not because of log. Because
Okay.
it's present. Like when we have 2, it's 0. But if I'm writing 2x, it's not 0. Na? We leave 2, we differentiate the variable. That logic.
Okay.
Differentiate. I'm giving you a few questions. Huh? Try. Try. So the first one. Answer. We'll
Minus
treat
2
this.
by 2x plus 3 the whole square.
We'll treat this as 1 upon x So 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. Instead of x, we have 2x plus 3. Differentiation of 2x plus 3 is 2. वो numerator में आ जाएगा. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second, we will treat this as e power x. So ex का तो ex. x के जगह 4x square minus 7x plus 5 है. Differentiation of this is 8x minus 7. हाँ
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third, how will we differentiate this?
Ma'am, small doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, do we need to distribute the e power 4x square minus 7x plus 5 with 8x and minus
No,
7? Or
no,
we can
no,
keep
no.
it? Okay, ma'am.
If something is getting added, subtracted, then necessary. खाली multiply करके बड़ा छोटा करना है, not necessary. Common
Okay,
नहीं लिया या bracket नहीं खोला, no issue. That's
okay,
all.
ma'am.
So how will I differentiate 1 by ex? So हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको न्यूमरेटर में ले आओ. e पावर माइनस एक्स हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can treat this as ex. So ex is ex. Sorry. But instead of x, we have minus x. So we need to multiply the differentiation of minus x. What is the differentiation of minus x?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, a
Differentiation.
doubt.
Huh? Yes.
Can we not use quotient rule for that question? 1 by e to the power x?
So technically not necessary because in the numerator I don't have x. It's constant. Right? When we apply quotient rule, when there are two variables that are getting divided. But even if you would have done it, it's not wrong. You will still get the same answer. How? Denominator square. I'll leave the denominator, differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. So differentiation of 1 is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm left with minus ex by ex whole square. 1 ex gets cancelled.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am,
Understood.
can't we, what if we treat e power x
1 by
as
x.
x? Yeah.
Yeah, fine, no problem. Treat it as 1 by x. So it becomes minus 1 upon x square. Instead of x, we have ex. So by
Yes, ma'am.
chain rule, we need to multiply the differentiation of ex. So minus ex upon e power x whole square. Same thing. Ex gets cancelled.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it okay? Everybody clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How will we differentiate this? We will treat this as ex. The term instead of x will now be differentiated. So how will I differentiate ax plus bx?
A plus b.
Plus B.
A into 1 plus b into 1. So a plus b.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Differentiation of e power 5. Answer?
Is it
0.
0.
There is no x. Differentiation of 1 by 3x plus 5. Was there a power? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Differentiation. What was the
Power
power?
10.
Answer?
Minus 30 by
Minus
3x plus 5 the whole power
Okay.
11.
First, we'll treat it as 1 upon x power 10. So minus 10 by 11. Now, differentiation of the term that is written instead of x. Differentiation of 3x plus 5. is 3. So answer is minus 30 by 3x plus 5 power 11. Clear?
Ma'am, doubt, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
what if we take 3x plus 5 power 10 to the numerator? It will become power minus 10. And we can use x to the power n wala formula.
ekdam, no problem. We bring it to the numerator. So minus 10, 3x plus 5 to the power minus 11. Sorry, minus 10 minus 1. And then differentiation of 3x plus 5. So minus 10 upon 3x plus 5 to the power plus 11 into 3. Same answer.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So chain rule can also be there in between product quotient. Try these questions. Differentiation of try these sums. Let's discuss. So the first one, it's two variables are getting multiplied, so it's a classic case of product rule. पर जब हम प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाएंगे साथ ही में बीच में चेन रूल भी लगेगा. So chain rule is something which can be applied in any such scenario, any formula. So product rule says leave e power 2x, differentiate log 4x plus log 4x into differentiation of e power 2x. E power 2x. When I'm going to differentiate this, I'll treat it as log x. This is x. Log x is 1 by x. Instead of x, we have 4x. Differentiation of 4x is 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus, I will leave 4x. I'm going to differentiate e power 2x. I'll treat it as e power x. This is x. So, ex is ex. Differentiation of 2x is 2. So, I can take e power 2x common. I'm left with 1 by x plus twice log 4x. Not necessary to take common. Mandatory नहीं है, marks नहीं कटता.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
won't become 2e to the power 2x.
नहीं समझी.
Ma'am, I've done it. Like my answer is e to the power 2x by x minus log 4x
Minus 2
e to the power. Sorry, plus ma'am.
plus.
Plus log 4x 2e to the power 2x.
हाँ, तो मैंने भी तो वही लिखा ये ना. बस मैंने e power 2x कॉमन ले लिया.
Ma'am, it's not necessary we have to
No,
take
it's not necessary.
Okay.
Second. Here we'll be applying quotient rule. So denominator square. I'll leave the denominator. I'm gonna differentiate the numerator. I will leave the numerator and I'm gonna differentiate the denominator. So x. Differentiation of log 2x minus 3. I'll treat this as log x. So 1 by x into differentiation of 2x minus 3, which is 2, minus log of 2x minus 3 into differentiation of x is 1. Any problem with this sign?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
2x taking LCM. Whole thing divided by x square. So this 2x minus 3 comes to the denominator. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The third one. So classic case of product rule. I'll leave e power minus x, differentiation of 2x plus 3, plus I will leave 2x plus 3 and I'm going to differentiate e power minus x. So e power minus x, differentiation of 2x plus 3 is 2. 2x plus 3, ex is ex, but instead of x, we have minus x. So differentiation of minus x is,
-1.
-1.
so here again I can take e power minus x common. So 2 minus 2x minus 3. E power minus x minus 1 minus 2. Now here it is necessary. क्योंकि after मैंने common लिया, I can simplify ना. या bracket खोल दो, multiply करो. Simplification is possible. तो मुझे ये करना ही पड़ेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Common लेना जरूरी नहीं है, पूरा bracket खोल दो, I'm okay with it. लेकिन simplify तो करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Now this is very important. ये हमें आगे चाहिएगा भी. So to understand this, let me first find out differentiation of 2x plus 3 whole cube. I will treat this as x cube, 3x square. Instead of x, I have 2x plus 3. So I'm going to multiply the differentiation of that term. Differentiation of 2x plus 3 is 2. So final answer 6 into 2x plus 3 whole square. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, differentiation of 3x plus 2 to the power 5. I'll treat this as x power 5. So 5x to the power 4 into differentiation of the term that is written instead of x. So what is the differentiation of 3x plus 2?
3.
3. So answer is 15. 3x plus 2 whole power 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Individual differentiation, it's okay. So actual sum, this is basically a situation of product rule. So leaving 2x plus 3 whole cube, differentiation of 3x plus 2 power 5. Leaving 3x plus 2 power 5, differentiation of 2x plus 3 whole cube. So formula ऊपर से value डाल रहे हैं. पावर 5 का था 15, 3x plus 2 power 4 ऊपर कर रखा था ना, प्लस 3x plus 2 power 5, इसका है 6, 2x plus 3 whole square. कोई दिक्कत?
No, ma'am.
अब देखो अगेन कॉमन लेना कंपल्सरी बिकॉज सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो रहा है.
Ma'am,
नाउ दिस टर्म यहाँ
two,
3 बार है और यहाँ 2 बार है. सो आई कैन टेक 2 times कॉमन.
ma'am, a small doubt. When the 3 comes to the front for 2x plus 3, doesn't it become whole square?
वेयर
2x plus 3 whole cube, when you differentiate,
ये रहा.
नहीं नीचे मैम.
ये यहाँ से ये.
Oh, that you've differentiated the other term. Never mind. Sorry, ma'am.
ओके सो देन आई एम लेफ्ट विथ फर्स्ट टर्म 2x plus 3 यहाँ पे 1 बच जाएगा. देन ये 4 टाइम यहाँ है और यहाँ पे ये 5 टाइम. सो आई कैन टेक 4 times कॉमन. तो सेकंड वाले टर्म में एक बारी बच जाएगा. अब नंबर्स यहाँ 15 है और यहाँ 6 है. आई कैन टेक 3 कॉमन.
Yes, ma'am.
तो फर्स्ट वाले में 5 और सेकंड वाले में 2 बचेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बाहर कुछ नहीं करना है, खाली ब्रैकेट वाला जो टर्म्स है उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सो 10x plus 15, 6x plus 4, 2x plus 3 whole square, 3x plus 2 power 4, 16x plus 90. कोई दिक्कत?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
एवरीबडी क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ तक सबको समझ आ गया? तो मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी. यहाँ तक कोई भी सम, कोई भी कंसेप्ट, किसी चीज में दिक्कत?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will use these things to prove certain questions. Okay, let's start prove that. Question: if y equal e to the power 3 log x plus 2x, prove that dy by dx will be x square e power 2x into 2x plus 3. Guys done?
No, ma'am. 2 minutes.
Prove that देखते रहना. Okay. पहले लुकिंग एट द प्रूफ, अगर देखो e के पावर में इतना गंदा टर्म ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो y e पावर 3 log x प्लस 2x, क्योंकि बीच में प्लस है तो हम लोग इसको मल्टीप्लीकेशन में तोड़ सकते हैं. सेम बेस मल्टीप्लाई पावर है.
Yes, ma'am.
सो e पावर 2x तो चाहिए हमें, यानी फर्स्ट वाले टर्म का कुछ करना होगा. तो 3 को पहले ऊपर ले गई, एक्स क्यूब. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
e और log कैंसिल हो जाता है ना, log का प्रॉपर्टी था. तो आई एम लेफ्ट विथ एक्स क्यूब इंटू ई पावर 2. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
नॉर्मल डिफरेंशिएशन है. तो वी राइट डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड्स विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. बेसिकली दोनों साइड डी डी एक्स लगा दो. तो लेफ्ट में तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, इट्स अ सिंबल डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. राइट साइड में क्या करेंगे?
Product rule.
तो एक्स क्यूब को छोड़ा, डिफरेंशिएट ई पावर 2x प्लस ई पावर 2x को छोड़ा, डिफरेंशिएट एक्स क्यूब डी वाई बाय डी एक्स. एक्स क्यूब को छोड़ा, सो ई पावर 2x को ई एक्स वाला ट्रीटमेंट देंगे. सो ई एक्स, एक्स के जगह 2x है, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन 2 प्लस ई पावर 2x एक्स क्यूब का 3x स्क्वायर. अब प्रूफ दैट को देखते हुए आई कैन टेक कॉमन e पावर 2x, e पावर 2x. यहाँ x 3 बारी है और यहाँ 2 बारी है. सो वी कैन टेक x स्क्वायर कॉमन. आई एम लेफ्ट विथ 2 1x plus 3. That is what you wanted. So proved.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. An extremely important question. Differentiate this term. आज नहीं आज done.
1 second.
Take this as log x. The term instead of x is this whole term. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
वो बन जाएगा 1/x into differentiation of this pink term. अब क्योंकि बीच में प्लस है तो इंडिविजुअली डिफरेंशिएट होगा. What is the differentiation of x?
1.
Now let's see how do we differentiate this term. इसको रूट x जैसा ट्रीटमेंट देंगे.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
रूट x का
1/2 root x, ma'am. So it will be 1/2
कौन है x की जगह?
square minus a square.
x square minus a square. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन differentiation of x square minus a
2x.
square
2x minus a
2x
square log a.
भाई a square is constant ना. अगर a पावर x होता है तो आप वाला फॉर्मूला आएगा. a square तो कांस्टेंट होता है. दैट्स 0. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are left with x by x root x square minus a square. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So प्लस इसके जगह ये वैल्यू लिख दिया 1/x plus root x square minus a square. एलसीएम लिया. ये टर्म और ये टर्म तो सेम है. We are left with 1 by root x square minus a square.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सा. व्हाट वे मतलब
Ma'am,
12 में तो इसके आगे चाहिए ना, लेकिन ये वाला इतना सा पोर्शन बहुत सारे सम्स में है. डन.
1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll down a little bit? Ma'am, still can't see. नहीं मैम, डाउन नीचे. हाँ. Done, ma'am.
All of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Differentiation of, okay, sorry. F y equal 9 power log x base 3. Prove that dy by dx equal to x. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Solution y 9 power log x base 3. यहाँ base 9 और यहाँ base 3. So 9 can be written as 3 square. पर अभी 3 log 3 cancel नहीं कर सकते जब तक ये 2 बैठा है. So this 2 goes in the power. So 3 log 3 is cancelled. Y is x square. Now we can differentiate on both sides. dy by dx will be 2x.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. If e power x plus e power y equal e power x plus y, prove that dy by dx equal minus e power minus x. Right. Done?
Getting minus e to the power x plus y.
Okay. Now, in order to do this, you need to understand one thing first. When we differentiate x square, what do we get?
2x.
Okay. But if I differentiate 3x minus 5 whole square, what do we get? X square, so 2x. But instead of x, we have the term 3x minus 5. So chain rule says differentiate again. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now here, if I'm saying differentiate y square, y is a variable. It will never be treated as a constant. Huh? So I will treat this as x square. So differentiation of x square was 2x. Differentiation of y square will be
2y dy by
2y.
dx.
But instead of x, there is y. So chain rule says differentiate that term again. That means differentiate y. But I don't know how to differentiate y. So it will remain as it is. If I would have been differentiating log y, So log x is 1 by x, log y will be 1 by y. But instead, here the variable was x, but here in my sum it is y. So what is written instead of x? It should have been log x, but it's written log y. So we are going to differentiate y again. So dy by dx. So whenever we differentiate a term which has y, normal differentiation ex is ex, but if it contains y, we always end up with writing dy by dx. Yes? So differentiation of y cube, 3y square dy by dx. Differentiation of root y, 1 by 2 root y dy by dx. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now in order to do this, ex plus ey. So what we can do is, it's easier if I do this way. Can I not separate this? Because if you look at the proof, there is no such term here. Can I do this? I'll
Yes,
show you
ma'am.
both two ways. Now I'm dividing both the terms by this. Any problem with this line?
No, ma'am.
So ex gone 1 by ey. Ey gone 1 by ex. So I can treat this as e power minus y plus e power minus x equal 1. Now we are going to differentiate both sides. So differentiation of e power minus y plus differentiation of e power minus x. Differentiation of 1 will be,
0.
so differentiation of this ex is ex. But instead of x, I have minus y. So I'll have minus dy by dx plus ex is ex. But instead of x, I have minus x. So minus 1 equals 0. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So minus e power minus y dy by dx minus e power minus x minus e power minus y dy by dx equal e power minus x. So dy by dx will be minus divide. So same base multiply power add. So y minus x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you would not have thought of this, so ex plus ey e power x plus y. Let's differentiate. Ex is ex, ey e power y dy by dx. Can you tell me the differentiation of the right side? We will treat this as ex. So ex into differentiation of x plus y. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So ex plus ey dy by dx e power x plus y. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of y dy by dx. Opening the bracket. So e power x plus y plus e power x plus y dy by dx. So terms with same dy by dx on one side and terms without it on one side. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So taking dy by dx common, e power y minus this, and this remains as it is. So dy by dx will be e power x plus y minus ex e power y minus this. But what we have got is nowhere near the proof. We wanted such a simpler term. So what we will do is, instead of this term, can't we substitute from the question? In the question, what was written instead of e power x plus y?
E power x plus e power y.
So from the question, I have substituted this. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
So opening the bracket, ey left, opening the bracket, minus ex left. So dy by dx minus e power y minus x. Your proof. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Revise at home. We'll continue in our next session.